Let it go cause it feels right. Hold on to the good vibes we had. Don't let the dream get faded. It's a feeling we're chasing. We're chasing.